wanted to shoot a quick follow-up video regarding the installation that we did, that clean install from a USB on my old Alienware system. To remind you, this system did not pass either the TPM check, nor did it pass the CPU check. And as you can see, this machine is just a thing of beauty now. As a matter of fact, we can see some of the more troublesome components that haven't worked on some of our installs, like these widgets. They're working beautifully. And I actually took it upon myself at this point with this machine to crack it open once Windows 11 was on it. And I went ahead and slid off that Alienware case, and I upgraded the disk to a solid state drive. So I figured while I was at it, why not improve the performance of this system measurably with a little SSD upgrade? So there it is, that revisit on the old Alienware system, now running Windows 11 just beautifully.